Good morning, Junior 4. Now we are going to talk about Lesson 2 in Unit 2, the universe. Okay, our lesson is talking about the movement of the sun and the earth. Page 30 in your books. Okay, let me ask you a question. Does the sun move? When you see the sun rise from east or move from east to west, rise up in the morning and then set at night. Okay, does the sun actually move? No. The sun actually is not moving, but this is the movement of the planet Earth. It's not the movement of the sun. Okay, so in this lesson we are going to talk about the movement of the Earth, our planet that we live on, the movement of the planet Earth. Okay, let's start with the first movement of Earth. We have two movements of Earth. The first one, rotation of Earth around its axis. When the Earth is moving around itself, like this. When the Earth moving around itself, I call it rotation. This is the rotation. Earth is moving around its axis. What's meant by axis? Imaginary line in the middle of the Earth. Okay, it's imaginary, it's not real, but this, the center of the Earth here, this line called axis. So when it moves around itself, I call it rotation. Rotation of Earth around its axis. This is the first movement of Earth. How long does the Earth take to make one complete rotation? What's meant by one complete rotation? For example, here we live in Egypt, okay, and Egypt in front of the camera, okay? So, what's meant by one complete rotation? This means that the Earth will rotate and come again to the first position again, okay, here. This is one complete rotation. How long did the Earth take to make one complete rotation? One turn, okay? The Earth takes 24 hours to make one complete rotation. The Earth rotates around its axis every 24 hours, and this causes a phenomenon or a sequence called day and night phenomenon. How? For example, here, if the sun is here, and that's the Earth, okay, this part that's facing the sun will have what? Day or night? This part that is facing the sun has day. What about the part that is farther from the sun? Will have night. Okay, so again, the Earth rotates around its axis once every 24 hours, causing an important phenomenon, day and night phenomenon, okay, or sequence, okay? What are the hours of the day equal to the hours of night? For example, we have 24 hours, okay? Does the day have 12 hours and the night always have another 12 hours? No, they are not equal. The hours of day do not equal the hours of night. They are not equal. For example, in summer we find that the day in summer is longer than the day in winter. Okay? Now let's talk about the second movement, revolution of Earth around the sun. We know Earth is a planet. It's a dark body that revolves around the sun. Okay? So let me ask you a question. How long does the Earth take to make one complete revolution? Revolution means moving around the sun. How long does the Earth take to make one complete revolution? The Earth 365 days. Okay, the Earth takes 365 days, approximately 1 year, almost 1 year. Okay, so like we took in the rotation, it causes a phenomenon day and night. What about the phenomenon caused by revolution of Earth around the Sun? It causes the 4 seasons phenomenon. For example, like summer, autumn, winter, and spring. So again, the phenomenon of the 4 seasons is caused by the revolution of Earth around the Sun. For example, I will ask you, give reason. Give reason. The 4 season phenomenon is occurred. Give reason means why. Why? Because or due to the revolution of Earth around the Sun.